Okay, let's talk about a total game changer in industrial cleaning technology.
You know how old cleaning methods can do more harm than good? Think sandblasting or harsh chemicals.
Well, now there's a solution that cleans with just light. No contact, no chemicals, no damage.
It works by vaporizing stuff like rust and paint, but the material underneath, it stays perfectly safe.
This isn't sci-fi, it's real. Let's see it in action.
Think about rust on anything from big steel beams to old cars. Gone in minutes.
It's perfect for production lines where you need speed and a flawless finish every single time.
And here's the kicker. It actually makes your final product stronger and better. It's so gentle, it's even used to save history, something harsh methods could never do.
So how does this really compare to the old ways? Let's put them head to head.
Just look at that. We're talking a massive leap in how fast you can get the job done.
The numbers don't lie. It's a clear win across the board. Cost, safety, everything.
Okay, so the tech is amazing, but choosing the right company to do it is just as crucial.
So what should you look for? Let's break down how to pick a real pro.
Use this checklist, and you'll know you're working with experts, not just some amateurs.
And that's why so many people trust Chihalo Laser. They hit every single one of those marks.
We're talking over 500 successful projects. Their experience is seriously broad.
And a 98% satisfaction rate? That really speaks for itself, doesn't it? Plus, you'll get a direct quote in just 24 hours. They're all about being professional and fast.
It all comes down to this: top-tier equipment, a huge focus on safety, and great service.
Ready to see what a faster, safer, and better cleaning method looks like for you?
Get in touch with their team for a factory direct quote. Just think, what could this change for your project?